Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. It is May the 15th of 2019. It's been 41 weeks since we got started with the Red Wigglers. And we'll start off with the Worm Factory 360. I have not messed with them since last Wednesday. This was the bottom tray. I think it's been close to a month now. I've been trying to get them to migrate down. And there's a few worms. Go ahead and toss them out since they're right there. Does look like they're starting to move down because I don't see but a few here and there. So nothing too exciting in this tray. There's mainly castings. Check out the next tray. One worm right on top. So we got a few in here. Does look like they're making some castings. This was mainly shredded cardboard and paper and a very little peat moss. I'm going to kind of aerate this and see if we got any worms. I do see a few, not too many. Probably still on this next bottom tray. Let's see. Yeah, I got a few hanging down. And this bottom tray was mainly coffee grounds and filters. And that's where all the worms are at. Quite a few worms in here. See if it smells like coffee still. Nah, not so much, so kind of hard to tell between the coffee grounds and since they're all black, but it does look like they have turned a lot of it into castings. But they definitely like that bottom tray full of coffee grounds. Not much action in the bottom. And we'll move on to our bin that we're trying to bait the worms out of. Looks like there's quite a few hanging out on the sides, going through the holes. Might have a good turnout here. Let's see. I'll put them on this side because we fed all on the left last week. Oh yeah. Look at that. Tell me them bait cups don't work. I mean, that is just full of worms. Good size worms too. Just gonna leave them over there on that side for now. And we'll check this other bait cup. Same, got a few worms going in the hole. There we go. Still got quite a few in the cup. Just gonna turn them upside down. Same here, quite a few. And let's see what we got in this bin. Had plenty of banana on this side, so I'm expecting some nice worm balls. Tearing them bananas up. Oh yeah. Lots of worms. Lots of red wigglers. I'm going to do the same thing with what was left in the bait cups. I'm just going to put them over here on this side and cover them up. Kind of aerate what's left in this bin. Not many worms in that side. They're all over there in them bananas. I think our sprouts are from cucumber seeds. That's my guess. Oh, there we go. There's a nice big group of worms. Just wearing that banana out. And leave them alone. Cover them up. And we'll aerate this a little bit. See if there's still a bunch of worms in here. And there's a good handful right there. No telling how many worms were in here. There's still quite a few, looks like. So I'll mix up some bait cups. Try to bait these out some more. Don't think I'll worry about feeding the worm factory this week again. They're still doing their thing on the coffee grounds and plenty of carbon in there. So do what we can to get all these out of this castings. Have been using some castings in the garden. So we're going to be needing some here pretty soon. There's still quite a few in there. I'm not going to do the bait cups on camera. I've done that in plenty of other videos. Thank you for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tomorrow's African Nightcrawler Day. Be sure to tune in. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.